Are you being scammed by the new Formuler Z12 Ultra, or is it actually a real upgrade over the Z11 Pro Max? Let's break it all down side by side, because if you're dropping serious cash on a streaming box, you deserve the truth. First up, both the Z12 Ultra and the Z11 Pro Max use the same Realtek RTD1319C processor. So, spoiler alert, performance? Nearly identical. Button response, app launching, and streaming speeds are neck and neck. Don't let the next-gen buzzwords fool you. But here's where the Z12 Ultra starts to flex. Storage. It jumps from 32GB on the Z11 to a whopping 128GB. If you love recording shows or using time shift, you can ditch the external USB drives. Now it's all built in. Operating system? The Z12 Ultra has Android 12, so you get the latest security updates and a little smoother interface, while the Z11 Pro Max is on Android 11. Not a deal breaker, but worth noting. Networking gets an upgrade too. The Z12 Ultra features Wi-Fi 6E, that's tri-band, better speeds and less interference if your home is packed with devices. Now, home theater fans, listen up. The Z12 Ultra is officially licensed for Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. That means richer colors and immersive 3D sound, but only if your TV and audio system support these formats. The Z11 Pro Max stops at HDR10+. Remote controls? The Z12 Ultra ships with the GTV Bluetooth 3 remote. It's backlit, ergonomic, and if you keep losing it, there's a Find My Remote feature in the app. Nice touch. So, is the Z12 Ultra a scam? No. It's a luxury upgrade, mainly for power users and home theater enthusiasts. If you just want great streaming, the Z11 Pro Max is still a killer deal. Let me know which one you'd pick and why in the comments.